Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Happy Earth Day, everyone. We're going to be celebrating Earth Day today, and I'm going to give you a few fun facts about trees and how we should be planting more trees. And I will be giving you all that information as we go along and we paint here. But I thought I would start out with painting, and as I go along, I will I'll give you some of those fun facts. As you can see here, I have two wood rounds. Well, one is a round and one is actually that I consider a head of the future generation. That's why I chose that. I found that in Michael's. I thought it was appropriate for Earth Day. And today I am using all leftover paints. I never throw my paints out. I always keep my leftovers. So I thought this was also appropriate for Earth Day. And I'm doing a dip again. I did it last week. Last week I did it to save my painting, but this week I'm doing it purposely because I really love the way it came out. And I remember seeing from Fiona, probably last year, where she produced some trees when she did a dip. And I did run back, I ran back to her channel to look it up. And she poured her paints kind of in the middle of her canvases. And that's how she got her trees. So I'm going to try that today, the same, well, I'm not sure if it's the same way. But this is the way I'm doing it. And hopefully I'll get something good out of this. With a dip, you can't go wrong. That's how I feel anyway. So I'm putting some colors in here. All leftovers that I thought was appropriate for this pour. And I hope you're enjoying the music as you go along. And here I'm gonna dip my paints. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I see an eye there. It's a perfect eye. I think that's just so amazing with the dip that you can actually find something so perfect. And these do look like trees to me. Trees in a forest with the bright sun in the background. We are missing some paints there. So I'll fill that in. I'll fill that in with some extra paints. So let's just go along. So I recently went to Blick and I purchased a catalyst wedge, and I thought maybe this was time to give it a try. And just about here is when I say I'm gonna dip it again. And there I go. what I find amazing is the eye is still there. There it is. But now it looks like it's closed. Isn't that amazing? Decide to take my popsicle stick and draw a tree in there. I mean, there are trees in there, but just grabbing that popsicle stick and just going with it. Eventually I'll pick up that catalyst wedge too. You'll see that in a minute. I hope you enjoyed Earth Day with me today. And if you did like what you saw here, please subscribe to my channel so you can see future content. I gave a lot of tips and hints of what you can do. So I hope you'd like to come back again. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. This is the dried results here. I took this outside so you can get a nice, bright look at that. I really love the way this came out. Really awesome. My little tree there. And my forest. There's my forest. So, have a great day, everyone. And be safe out there. Bye-bye now. Enjoy the sounds of the city. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.